everybody, it's Catherine. Welcome to my channel where we like to talk all things fragrance and beauty. A while ago, I did a shorts video of 3 of Kylie Cosmetics lipsticks. And I was pretty happy with their performance. They didn't bleed, they had great color, the color lasted, and then she reformulated the product. I'm not a huge proponent of Kylie Cosmetics, all things Kardashian. They have enough money, they don't need mine to support their products. But since I was happy with the performance of the Kylie lipsticks when she came out with her new formulation of the lip kits, I thought I would try some. So I got 3. Kylie 808, Sweater Weather 704, and 500 Kristen Matte. My sister's name is Kristen, so actually this is her birthday present. I don't really want to try it out just because it's her gift. Might do that one in the future once I give it to her if she'll let me borrow it. We're down to 2. Kylie and Sweater Weather. I'm going to try one today, let you guys see what it looks like, and then I'll give a follow-up on how it wore. If you're interested in seeing the second Sweater Weather, please let me know, comment below. Otherwise, let's get started with Kylie and see how it goes. I actually got these on sale at Ulta. It was like 50% off, so pretty good deal. You get the Kylie lip balm and then the pencil. Looks like a bit of a nude shade. The gloss is matte. Kind of a mauve. So let's see what this looks like. It's really smooth, it glides on really well. Getting a bit dry feeling on my lip. I will say there wasn't an example of this one, so I kind of blind bought it. I figured if she put her own name on it, it's gotta be a good one. And now for the lip gloss. It has a nice smell to it, soft, like a soft, very soft marshmallow hint to it. All right, so let me blend. I blended it out a bit. I will say I had to use soap and then scrub the heck out of it, and it's still on my arm, so I'm thinking we're gonna have some pretty good staying power. In terms of feel, it's fairly dry, but like a powdery dry. Like I feel like they're like velvety soft. No transfer. I think we're gonna have pretty good mask proof wear here. All in all, I'll have to wear it throughout the day and see what I think. I'll report back. I'm not usually a real matte type girl. I like a bit of gloss. I like that like healthy satin sheen to it, or even the vinyl gloss look, and I take a little getting used to on my part. Not disappointed, I'll say. Thanks y'all for tuning in. If you'd like to get visual without the review, without the verbiage, I'll just do a quick shorts of the Sweater Weather. Please comment below and I'll make sure to get that out for you. Nice to see y'all. Appreciate you all and see you soon.